Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me to introduce myself. My name is Devita Afrilia, from Class Management 23 DN NPM 2341119. Here I will explain about the meaning of business ethics, moral values and ethical standard. Business ethics is a set of moral principles and values that govern behavior, decisions, and actions. In the business world, business ethics serve as guidelines that help companies and individuals involved in business activities to act in a manner that is right, fair, and responsible toward all stakeholders such as customer, employees, supplier, shareholders, the community, and the environment. Here is a complete explanation of business ethics. Basic understanding. Business ethics can be defined as the application of moral standards and ethical principles in business practices. These standards involve judgments about which actions are considered right or wrong, good or bad, based on applicable social norms and laws. Business ethics is not just about obeying the law, but also about making decisions that take into account the social and moral impacts of business actions, even though this may not be explicitly regulated by law. Moral values are principles or beliefs that are considered right or wrong by an individual or society, and guide a person's behavior in everyday life. These values are usually influenced by cultural factors, religion, and life experiences, so they tend to be subjective. For example, honesty, fairness, and respect are examples of moral values. Meanwhile, ethical standards are a set of generally accepted rules or guidelines for determining right or wrong behavior in a particular context, such as in the workplace or in a professional environment. Ethical standards are usually more formal and can be stated in a company code of ethics, professional regulations, or laws governing actions in an industry. Ethical standards aim to ensure that actions taken by individuals or organizations are in line with social. The conclusion is that business ethics are behavioral guidelines that must be followed by companies and employees in carrying out business activities honestly and fairly. Moral values are the main basis for business ethics, including honesty, responsibility, and integrity. Ethical standards regulate how individuals and organizations act both in internal and external relationships, including how to deal with customers, coworkers, and the community. Alignment between moral values and ethical standards is important for building trust, maintaining reputation, and creating a sustainable business environment.